In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an actual VIA's target chart in Excel. Start by selecting your full data table, including the column headers. This is important because Excel uses those headers to label the chart correctly, and it helps make sure both your actual values and target values are included from the beginning. Once the data is highlighted, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. In the Charts section, click the Insert Column or Bar Chart icon. From the drop-down menu, choose the 2D Clustered Column Chart. This will insert a basic chart that shows both series as columns. It is a good starting point, but to make the target values easier to compare, we will adjust the chart so the target appears as a line instead. Now right-click any of the bars that represent the target series. From the menu that appears, select Change Series Chart Type. A chart settings window will open, showing each data series currently in the chart. Find the series called Target. For that series, check the box for Secondary Axis. Then change its chart type from a column to line using the drop-down next to it. After that, click OK. At this point, your chart will look more like an actual versus target visual, with the actual values still shown as columns and the target values displayed as a line across the chart. Next, right-click the new target line and choose Format Data Series. This opens the formatting panel where you can customize how that target line looks. Click the Fill and Line icon, which looks like a paint bucket. Under the Line section, choose No Line. This removes the visible line itself, which helps create a cleaner target marker style rather than a full connecting line. Then click Marker, which is located next to the Line section. Expand Marker Options and choose Built-in. From the available marker shapes, select the horizontal dash shape. This gives each target point a clear marker that stretches horizontally, making it easier to compare against the actual columns below. It is a simple formatting choice, but it creates a very effective actual versus target chart that is clean and easy to read. Once that is done, your chart should clearly show actual performance as columns and target values as horizontal markers on a secondary axis. That covers everything you need to know.